Okay, the Ford Bronco is back. The automaker is launching a lineup of new off-road models to take on Jeep. Our auto expert, Mike Caudill, is back with us this morning. He joins us live in Detroit with a first look.
All right, Mike, what can this baby do?
All right, well, let me start off, Nick and Pat. I picked both of these out for you, but you're going to have to fight for which Bronco you want. But in all seriousness, Ford debuted the all-new Bronco last night at 8 p.m. here Eastern in Detroit. And to much fanfare, the first edition that they launched last night sold out in 12 hours with a $100 down payment on it. So right now it's the hottest car, the most anticipated car, and it's been 25 years since the Ford Bronco was produced here in the United States. So the question is, why? Well, if you look over my shoulder, this vehicle right here, that's the 1969 Ford Bronco raced by Rod Hall in Baja, and that was the championship car. It told Ford, we can build off-road vehicles that are the best in the market. So enter this beauty, Nick. It is a four-door Ford Bronco. They will offer 3 different versions of this vehicle. All will come with 4x4 design in them, so you can take them off-road. The best top is, in those warm Kansas City nights, you can take the top off, the doors off. They're made of aluminum. They're incredibly lightweight and functional. But you can't talk about the exterior without talking about the interior. Ford thought about everything with the Ford Bronco. They said, hey, you know what? Let's put an 8-inch and a 12-inch touchscreen as an option, and it gives you all the things you need. These grab handles that you use for off-roading so you can hold on, and then the mounting bars. This is an industry first, so if you have a GoPro, you can connect it right to the hood on this thing, and it really helps you connect with all those things you want to see while you're out there off-roading. Not to mention, those are drain plugs right there, so you get it dirty. The entire interior is water-resistant and waterproof, allowing you to keep the entire inside of the vehicle clean. Now, you can't have a throwback vehicle without having cool tech inside of it. So Ford said, hey, if you're off-roading, why don't we create what are called breadcrumbs? And that means when you're out on the trail, you can monitor where you are going and send your trail notes to all of your friends while taking pictures. But this is the coolest feature. If you're out off-roading, Nick, you have a camera, a 360-degree camera that allows you to see where the rocks are so that you can fully off-road that vehicle. And one of the questions that I keep getting is, well, what's the engine, right? Is it a big V8 like the old one? And the answer is no, and it's done for the right reason. Very smart. It's a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 putting out 310 horsepower, but it's good on the environment because it has turbocharging technology. It's a solid vehicle for the market. And I'll close it out for you guys with this, some cool running footage here of the new Bronco Sport. This will be the kind of what I'm calling the entry-level version, sub $30,000, meant for somebody that doesn't necessarily want to take it out off-roading every single weekend. They want to be able to cruise around town in it in some cool style. Pricing, as this one I noted, it's under $30,000. The rest will be just north of $30,000, but if you want to top it out with that 4-door first edition, all the fun stuff in it, right around $60,000. But again, it's a $100 down payment. So, Pat, it's affordable right now for you to get in and get a cool Bronco.
Well, it's my 12-year-old, as I was saying to Nick. My 12-year-old daughter, Maeve, she wants a baby blue Ford Bronco. Is there any way you could arrange for that?
$100. Wow. $100. That's it. You can go online right now to Ford.com, put $100 down that's fully refundable, and you can get yourself a brand new Bronco, base edition, $29,000.
I pray to God she's not watching.
I think right now, Mike, I think Jeep is shaking in its boots right now. Those are some pretty sweet rides.
No doubt about it.
Yeah.
No doubt about it, they are shaking in their boots right now because this vehicle is going to sell like hotcakes. 3,500 out the door, gone, just like that last night.
All right, Mike, great to see you again. You always have good stuff. We'll check back with you guys in a little while. By the way, Ford provided this interview for us, so we want to thank them for that, and we want to thank Mike Caudill for joining us here on Fox 4 News at 9. So there you go, Alex. Ford Bronco back in business.
I know, $100.
Yeah, start saving now.
All right, that's doable. I can do that. All right, let's take a look.